Welcome to the Atmospheric Saharan Dust and Temperature Database for our project. Our group members consist of Kevin Providence, Kobe Baird, Shalana Khan, Malachi Kiza, and myself, Azaria Rickson. This database seeks to provide the user with relevant and reliable information on the atmospheric Saharan dust and temperature conditions in Trinidad and Tobago. The system provides persons with current and past data so they can be aware of the dangerous levels of Saharan dust and high complementary temperatures. Therefore, they can arm themselves against the seasonal passing of the Saharan dust. The Saharan dust spreads across the Caribbean in large masses during the months of June to August and December to February. This dust brings bacteria that causes ailments to persons in Trinidad and Tobago, resulting in respiratory failure, asthma, reduced visibility, damage to organs in the body, and even damage to radio communications and shipping lanes. These issues are then amplified by high temperatures experienced in Trinidad and Tobago. The correlation between two factors are of major concern and importance to the database due to the current environmental concern they present and the economic impact on the country. The system's users include research scientists, meteorologists, climatologists, students, farmers, healthcare professionals, and the general public. These individuals are concerned with increasing particulate matter levels and temperatures and the effects these have on the environment and personal health. The parts of the system consist of tables, queries, forms, relationships, and reports. These are all interconnected and work together to store, interpret, and present data to the user that is beneficial. The architectural design shows the flow between each subsystem of the database. A user or administrator can log in and gain access to the main menu where they can further access dust and temperature data, make queries, and produce reports. The user or administrator can then log out of the system and provide feedback. There are two main modules for the database system, the user module and the administrator module. The user module allows the user to sign in, search the database, make queries, and print reports. The administrator module is a bit more advanced compared to the user module in that they can add and remove data and insert additional security protocols. Data for this project was collected from online sources such as the Trinidad and Tobago Met Office. Specific data can be requested by the user according to the desired year and month, and then can be represented on the database through tables, figures, and graphs. Welcome to the atmospheric Saharan dust and temperature. Once the database has been opened, the user has the option to create an account or log in. The database is equipped with a security feature that blocks any user with the wrong username or password from entering the system. Once the correct username and password has been entered, the user can then enter the main menu page. The main menu is equipped with buttons that show the dust data, temperature data, and both dust and temperature data. The user can click any of the buttons to enter the database. For dust data, the user can view data from a 10-year period between 2002 to 2012 during the months of January to December. The dust data shows the dust ID, the dust amount, and the particulate level size, which is either PM10 or PM2.5. The user can also make a search and query for dust data by year, for example 2004, and the dust data for that year will be made accessible to the user for viewing. Using the main menu button, the user can be navigated back to the main menu page and can enter the temperature database, which is similar to the dust data, where each temperature is shown between 2002 to 2012 between the months of January to December. The average temperature per month is given to the user. The user can also make a query for the temperature by searching a year, and this will give the average temperatures per month for this year. The dust and temperature section of the database will give the user the average temperature per month as well as the particulate matter level and particulate matter size averaged per month between the years of 2002 to 2012. Similarly to the other sections, the user can make a query to search for a specific desired year to view the relative information. Within the database, the user is also given an option to print a summary report for the dust and temperature data. The summary for each month for each year is given to the user, and at the end of the document, the EPA Air Quality Advisory is also given to the user. Once printed, the user can then head back to the main menu to search for more information or to log out of the database. Using the logout button, the user can exit the database where the database will be closed off and can be accessed at a later time.